For voiceover.in, this is a tool where you can generate voiceover. Okay, say for instance, you have the content and then you want to put a voiceover in your video. So you can use voiceover.in. Wala kasing free na mga tool na maka-generate ng mataas na characters. Kadalasan, pag free ang tool for voiceover, it's only up to 250 characters. So, mahirap. So, ito lang, hanggang dito lang, hanggang dyan lang. So, mahirap kung mahaba masyado yung content mo. Pa-copy-paste ka, tapos download ng file. So, ang daming files na kailangan i-download. Whereas, if you invest, if you pay, this is only $5. So, $5, it's about mga 300 ata, no? O $5. So, pwede. Kaltasan mo yung sweldo mo, then mag-buy ka ng voiceover.in. And kagandahan dito, select, tawag ito, voice, no? So, pwedeng magamit ng babae, halimbawa,
Good afternoon.
ito si Kevin,
Good afternoon.
this is Matthew,
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here.
this one is Kendra.
Good afternoon.
Okay, may mga voice talaga na parang human. So, you have to choose like human.
Good afternoon.
Okay, pangit,
Good afternoon.
pangit. Ito si Jack.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type.
Maganda siya. So, let's use Jack. And then, submit lang. Okay, and then, convert it to speech. So, in here,
Look.
you can adjust. Example, you want to adjust the volume, the speed, and also the pauses. No, kasi minsan, syempre, it's a robot, no? Minsan, masyadong fast yung pagkabasa. So, you can also adjust here the volume, the pauses, and also the speed. To test that, you just play it.
Looking for a dependable workhorse to tackle your toughest construction projects?
Okay.
Look no further than the Case Backhoe 580.
Then after that, you can download the file. Okay. And then from here, you can input that one or put that one to your video. So you can experience this one during our video editing. Now let's proceed to another tool, the Video AI, video.ai. Okay, this can create multiple videos. Now this one is applicable, especially if, example, the client asked me to cut videos, no, and audio, and then i-post ko siya sa social media. Then gawan ko na lang ng thumbnail, no? So para hindi ako palaging mag-play, no? I can use the video.ai. Automatic, you can, this one, automatic will help you to cut some video clips, no? So, punta kayo, video.ai. And then after that, you can upload your video. Okay, so it saves time, 90%, and also effort. How much is that? Magkano yan? Per month is $0. Start for free, 75 minutes per month. No? So, kung medyo mahaba yan, you have to create account. No? Kung example, nagamit mo na siya, then mag-sign up ka ulit. No? Para makagamit ka ulit ng free. Kung gusto mong magbayad, pwede siyang magbayad monthly. but it's billed annually. Ito yung palaging tatandaan nyo. Basahin talaga, no? Baka i-bill ka niyan 1 year. It's $21 sana. Kaya lang, 1 year billed annually, sorry. Choose plan. If you can choose a plan, wait na. Yan, if you want to choose a plan, meron akong account dito. So I have here 75 minutes. So hindi ko na siya pwedeng magamit kasi ano, tingnan daw natin kung pwede pa siyang i-remove and then upload ulit. So, hindi na pwede. 75 over 75 minutes left. So, create ako ng new account here. So you, in your end, you can also create an account. Yan, log out ako. I-try ko daw. Mag-import ako ng file. Then, change. Yan, and then generate clips. Generate clips. Pause mo. Okay, let's view all projects. And then, display. Wait lang, processing pa siya. So, generate clips after uploading. Then, let's see. Processing. 0% done. Okay, wow, 19% na 22. And which of these describes you best? Okay, let's try to select podcaster. Yan. And you heard about us, Google. Next, how frequently do you edit? Occasionally. Then, what goal do you want to achieve to engage audience? Then next, how much money do you spend on editing monthly? Example, it's only $50. Then, done. So you have here, let's see, view all projects. Dapat meron kang, okay, no clips, it's because it's a short video. Pero, kung medyo mataas or mahaba yung ano natin, marami kang makikitang clips dyan, no? So, ito, isang ano lang. So, ito yung output niya. And then, dito sa gilid. So, kung mahaba yan, no, marami siyang ano, mga clips. And then, dito sa gilid, pwede mo siyang i-download, no, ang file. Tapos, for clips, chapters, yan. What's this? Draft or video AI assistant. Yan. So for the video AI, you can write short notes. You can also, okay, wala kasi siyang ano. So you can also transcribe, no? May ano din siya, pero dapat upgrade ang plan. Yung ipapakita ko sa inyo ay yung previous na lang na recording ko sa batch 34 para makita niyo talaga yung maraming mga clips na video dito. Okay? Social media, post, planner, yung joint scored. Okay. So basta ang ano nito, ang target nito is to generate more clips, no? Hindi ka na mag-effort na mag-cut-cut. Pero syempre, mas okay din yung manual, no? Kung may ano ka oras to play it and then kasi ito manual ito eh. So gina-cut ko siya, I play the audio file and then cut. Tapos ako na bahala kung ano yung makukuha nila dito sa ano. So in this output, I never use the AI. Talagang ako ang nag-ano nito, no? So kung hindi ka nagmamadali, no, you can do it manually. So you have the options. So aside from video AI, scribe, okay, done na tayo. This one for the email finder, pinakita ko na for the lead generation, right? Adobe Podcast, this is an alternative to audio editing or to the Audacity. So this is the last one. You just go to Adobe Podcast. And then, upload ka lang ng audio. Sign up ka, continue with Google. Continue. Okay.